This is a brand new 2012 Kia Sorento. Safety, space, and comfort. It features a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include a convenience package, a multi-link rear suspension, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, alloy wheels, and much more. The following features are also included: a rear window defroster, a keyless entry system, privacy glass, rear impact crumple zones, an anti-lock braking system, front multi-stage airbags, side impact door beams, rear seat child-proof door locks, and power windows. With an EPA estimated rating of 32 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile does not compromise its fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Napleton Nissan is located at 3870 Blue Heron Boulevard in West Riviera. Napleton Kia is located at 7001 Industrial Drive in South Riviera Beach. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.